Hi guys!
Hi,
Oh my god, I'm gonna say it! It's my channel! Just oh my god, today we're gonna play I don't know what it's called, but I think it's
Mukbang Game.
just search Mukbang Game and yeah, just find a game that says Mukbang ASMR testing. Something like that.
Yeah. We're gonna eat now.
Wait, let me get the sauce. Mute. I'm muting you! I'm gonna mute you! Get away! Nah, not her. I'm not gonna mute her.
I'm
Only.
the favorite. That's why.
Eh?
Okay.
Why don't I have my sauce? Oh. Let me add the sweet and sour. And the Nah.
No.
Man, I can't put you. No, I don't have enough space to put it, so
Thanks for eating.
Yeah. I said I muted you! Fine.
Yeah,
Lol. Don't worry, I still have more. Nah.
Yummy. Oreo
I said I muted you! And by the way, if you go somewhere here, you're actually gonna find this kind of hotel looking thing. Why did you take the whole crab? I said I muted you! Fine. We're all using the same face. That's some nice. Yummy. Okay, give me a second. Let me get some good desserts. Which I'm gonna bring matcha. Matcha.
Oreo, I want Oreo.
Me too. I'm gonna take matcha and 2 Oreos.
Three, I also want.
Yeah.
You don't want?
Nah. And some Dubai chewy cookie and some matcha as well. Let me place them all first. Now give me a sec. Sorry, Heather. I'm gonna take that, okay? I actually put it over there. Here is for you.
Mine?
I'm actually placing them in the wrong place. So sorry, I have to keep it in front of me.
Can I take some matcha?
Give me a sec. No, it's the matcha's for me. You already took your Oreo. Take your Oreo. Yeah, just take your Oreo. Take it again. It's a bit too loud. Lower the volume. No. Let's go for snacks.
Okay.
Let's go for snacks. Flamin' hot corn dog, blue taki mozzarella.
Never did you see this?
Give me
No
a
need to
second.
press the order. No need to press the order. Look. Press the phone. Look.
Girl, that's for sauces.
Yeah. For sauces, no need to go to order.
It was never in order.
Yeah. See? Can you find any sauce menu?
No.
See? Sometimes the sauce, huh? Yeah, I'm still recording. Okay. You can just speak. You're the only one that I did not even decide to mute. And you want some spicy ones or some honey ones?
Honey one.
Honey? Honey mussels.
Okay, never take your drink.
You want strawberry milk?
What's the options?
You want matcha?
Sure. There is
Matcha. What do you want?
Matcha.
All of us matcha, okay? No, all of you take your matcha milk. And okay guys, put in your inventory down. I'm about to put the real fun game. Let me just pick it up. And now I got some blue taki mozzarella. How many place it? I'm trying to. Take it from us, bro.
Can we eat?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Just get this one. Cheese pull. Loki is so good. Cheese pull. Y'all are just hugging everything.
Okay, if we're done.
Yeah, there's
Okay, so bye guys. Have a nice day. Bye.
bye.